I was wondering if you could help.
Keep walking there, eyes front, you have all at 4 o'clock.
You see, I'm lost.
No excuse for bad navigation. A bird who gets off his flight path does not deserve his wings. Isn't that what they always say, dear?
Always, dear. I can't even fly yet. I got lost on foot.
Where were you trying to get to?
Past my mother on the lake. I think it was in that direction. I saw a few doves fly over there a minute ago.
Well, if you did, it was probably one of the last flying you caught.
What do you mean?
This shoot on the marsh too is very dangerous.
What's a shoot?
Well, it's a people sport.
Cat warned me about people.
The cat?
Yeah, you see, I was with this cat.
Didn't your mother tell you how dangerous a cat is?
Well, she did, but the cat said she was my friend.
Your mother was right to warn you. You don't want friends like that, dear.
She was?
Golden dogs! They must be starting to shoot again. Time for maneuvers. I hoped it wouldn't have come to this, but I have no option. All right, at ease. Company, fall in. I didn't mean literally. All right, eyes front. Now we're about to take part in exercise classes we have not faced before. A class of reconnaissance and reunification.
This Dublin lost his mom, bless him, and we're going to find her.
You're a fine body of geese, and I know you'll do your best. Good luck, men.
Sky.
you.
For me?
You don't think I'm gonna leave you here with the duckling, do you? Oh no, Puss, you're coming with us.
Oh, cat litter.